Hello, ladies. How are y'all guys doing today? All right, guys, I promised you guys some tips and tricks throughout this class. So here we are. Today, I'm going to show you several videos on some little quick tips and tricks, okay? All right, I have what we call our Pristine eyeliner. It's a white eyeliner, okay? I know what you're thinking. White eyeliner, what in the world? It's okay. I'm going to show you a little tip with your eyeshadows, okay? Because I'm going to focus on the eyes right now. And the one thing that you kind of want to do, of course, is wear your primer first. After you put on the primer, let the primer set for about 5 minutes, okay? Then you're going to add the white Pristine eyeliner, okay, to the lid of your eyes. Okay, watch this. All right. Do. All right, just a little white eyeliner. I know it looks a little freaky, but I usually just take my finger. Normally they say use the ring finger, okay? And I'm just gonna smudge it out just a little bit, okay? See that? All right, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my brush and I'm just gonna pick a beautiful color from my beautiful palette right here. I'm going to use one called Thankful. It's a beautiful blue color. But before I do it on this side, I'm going to show you what it looks like on this side. Okay, on this side, just real quick, okay? It's a very vibrant color. It really and truly is. It's really a beautiful color. And it is blue. And I know what you're thinking. Oh my God, I would never wear blue eyeshadow. But you know what? Blue can also be a good accent color to your makeup routine, okay? You see, it is beautiful by itself, isn't it? But watch when I add it on top of that white Pristine eyeliner, okay? Are you guys ready for this? All right, I'm gonna add it right on top of that Pristine eyeliner, okay? Are you watching this? Are you watching? Look at this, look. It's like magic. Look at that color. Oh my God, right? OMG. You can say it. I know you're impressed. How about that? Look at that difference, okay? So if you're wanting a little bit of boldness to your look, try using the white Pristine eyeliner on your eye before placing on your eyeshadows. Check it out. You're welcome, ladies. See you later.